Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I would be discussing my internship interview experience at Zeta. Zeta is a directized daughter company. It basically provides cloud-based and API-ready banking solutions for transaction processing, issuance and management of debit cards and credit cards and etc. Now, I was offered the data analyst intern role at Zeta, and in today's video, I'll be sharing my interview experience for the same. So let's begin. This video is divided into following sections: the requirements, preparation and application procedure, and a brief overview of my interview process. Now, as usual, I have mentioned the timestamps for each section in the description. Feel free to jump to relevant section. Also, I won't be able to discuss my experience at Zeta because I wasn't able to accept their offer. Now, at that time, due to some personal concerns, it was not possible for me to relocate to Bangalore, where the position was being offered at that time. And I was looking for an offer in Delhi NCR when I got an offer from TRC. So I decided to move ahead with that offer. But I can confirm that the interview procedure was one of the toughest interviews I have faced, and this definitely reassures the fact that as a part of Zeta, you would get a chance to work with some of the best in the industry. And obviously, being a directized daughter company, I think the interview procedure was justified. Since I do not have anything to add to the experience part, so I'll directly move to the requirements and preparation part. Now, Zeta is a growing company and it has been hiring extensively in the recent past. Now, if you're watching this video long after the date of upload, this might not be true. There are hiring groups on Flock, which is another daughter company of DirectEye, and where once in a blue moon, DirectEye recruiters post openings on these groups. And I applied for Zeta through the opening posted on one of these Flock groups. I'll post the link to these groups in the description. Feel free to join these groups and like if ever an opening come, do apply for it. Now other ways of applying are campus drive, online portal or directly reaching out to an employer recruiter. From my experience I can say that the recruiters are really friendly and active as they actively replied to all the queries and questions I had during that time. And I've pasted the careers page link as well in the description so you can go on the page and apply there. And my advice would be to reach out to people on LinkedIn for referrals before directly applying through their career portal. So I think that would be really helpful. For the GPA part, I do not think that Zeta has any GPA constraints. Even media.net does not keep any constraints on the GPA, so I think that's universally true for all direct hire companies. I would also recommend having a little competitive programming experience when you're appearing for Zeta. Like any other direct hire company, I found the level of questions asked in the interview higher than your usual DSA questions. And the concept applied in the question was nothing fancy, it was DP, but the question was not straightforward and had some corner cases as well. So, like competitive programming obviously prepares you for solving new questions in a timely manner. So, it would be great if you have some experience with competitive programming. Now, you can do competitive programming on a large number of platforms: CodeChef, CodeForces, HackerRank, HackerRat. So, that's your choice. And make sure that the solution you propose for these coding questions during interviews handle all or as many corner cases as possible, because missing corner cases might fetch you negative points in the interview. And make sure that the projects you put on your resume are meaningful and actually done by you, not the copy paste ones for the sake of adding on the resume. From my experience, I can say that they do discuss the projects on your resume during the interviews. So it would be really beneficial for you if you've actually done the projects on your own. Moving on to the next section of the video, I'll discuss my interview experience. I only had one interview with Zeta, but the interview was quite a long one when compared to your regular 1 hour interview. The interview started with introductions, and there were two employees on the panel. Now, my first question was a programming question based on DP, and the question demanded me to find possible permutations of an array given certain constraints. The interviews were really helpful and gave a lot of clues, but after trying for almost an hour, I was able to solve the question, but I wasn't still able to handle a particular corner case. But I had already spent so much time on this question, so the interviewer moved on to the next question. Now, make sure that while you're doing this programming question, you keep discussing your approach. Now, this has two benefits. One is that if you're moving in the wrong direction, the interviewers might nudge you in the right direction, and this saves a lot of time on your part because you won't spend all the time thinking about the wrong approach. And the second benefit is that it gives a chance to the interviewer to analyze your thought process and problem solving skills. So even if you are not able to completely solve the question, they have an idea about your thought process. Now, the next question was on SQL, wherein I had to fetch records, then sort them, and using these fetched records, I had to fetch records from another table. So, the query required use of nested SQL statements, order by clause, the limit clause, along with some where conditions. The last part of the interview was a detailed discussion of my data science project, on which I also published a research paper. The discussion required me explaining the use case, the architecture, and then justifying our proposed approach. So this was a detailed discussion, and we discussed almost every aspect of the project. Now, due to the unhandled corner case in my programming question, I wasn't expecting a positive result, but I was finally able to get the offer. And this sums up my interview experience with Zeta. So, as usual, in case I miss something in the video or you want some other information about Zeta, do mention in the comment section and I'll try my best to resolve your queries. And with this, I'll end this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning. Bye bye.